In this video, we will show you how to properly clean and care for the spray arms in your newly enhanced, fully integrated LG dishwasher. For optimal results, it is important to periodically check and care for the spray arms to make sure that the water jet holes are not blocked by food particles. When cleaning is necessary, remove the appropriate spray arm to clean. There are 3 spray arms located inside of your LG dishwasher. The lower spray arm is located under the lower rack. The upper spray arm is located under the upper rack. The top spray arm is located above the cutlery rack. To remove the lower spray arm, move the lower rack forward, place your hands on the spray arm and pull up. The spray arm will detach. To remove the upper spray arm, pull the upper rack forward, turn the nut located above the spray arm under the rack counterclockwise, and pull down. The spray arm will detach. To remove the top spray arm, start by removing the cutlery rack. Use a screwdriver to release the retainer clip from the bracket. There is a clip on each side of the bracket. You can proceed to pull the spray arm out. Make sure to not lose the pin that is attached to the spray arm. If there is food lodged in the nozzles of the spray arm, take a toothpick or a small pointy object and dislodge it by breaking it up into pieces. Tap the spray arm gently on a flat surface to get all of the pieces out. By pouring water through the spray arm, you can double check to make sure that all particles have been dislodged from the nozzles. To reinstall the lower spray arm, place the spray arm directly over the insert and push down until it clips into place. Make sure that the spray arm is able to turn freely. To reinstall the upper spray arm, press it into place and turn the nut clockwise until it locks into place. To reinstall the top spray arm, take the spray arm and the pin and push it back into place. Make sure that the retainer clip engages. To see more videos about this product, visit us at our YouTube page